Hey everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change an air filter in the 2011 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2015 CR-V LX, and procedures will be similar for a lot of CR-V models from 2011 to 2016, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. The air filter housing is on the driver's side of the engine bay. Disengage the 3 clips securing the lid of the air filter housing. Lift the lid of the housing and remove the old filter. Clean any leaves or debris out of the air filter housing. Put your new air filter in place, making sure it's seated properly all the way around the upper edge. Close the lid and re-engage the clips. Make sure the lid is secure on the housing. And close the hood. And that's it! Everything you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon!